of my students get intimidated when they see three-dimensional shape problems. It's primarily because of how difficult and complicated it looks on the screen. In this video, I'm going to give you a really good framework of how to break these problems down. My name is Percy. I've tutored over 1,000 students for the SAT, and so feel free to subscribe for more SAT math-related content. The main idea of the framework is to break up these larger, more complicated math problems into smaller and simpler steps. And this framework can really actually be applied to all different types of math topics. Say, for example, a problem where you solve for the surface area of a cylinder. And so we can keep in mind that a cylinder is one thing on its own, but it's really actually just a 3D shape made up of smaller two-dimensional shaped parts. So if you think about it, the cylinder has a circle on the top and the bottom, and then in the middle there's a tube-shaped region. If we were to calculate the areas of all of these respective regions, we could add them together and find the total surface area of the cylinder. To find the area of each circle, which by the way, the top and the bottom circles will be the exact same area in a cylinder, as it does not thin out or widen out as you go top to bottom. To calculate the area of the circle, you'll have to do pi times radius squared, right? And then you have to double that because of the two circles. And then to calculate the area of the middle tube-shaped region, all you have to do is find the circumference of one of those circles, which you can find by doing 2 pi r, which is 2 pi times radius, and then multiply that by the height of the cylinder. And so then when you find the double circle area and then add that to the tube-shaped area, that will help you find the total surface area of the cylinder. Here's another example of a problem that involves a 3D shape that you could break apart into smaller parts. Okay, so let's take the volume of a rectangular prism as this example. So the volume formula for the rectangular prism is length times width times height. And so instead of thinking about, trying to find the volume all at once, you could really just think about breaking it up into, okay, we've got to find the length dimension, the width dimension, and the height dimension. And once you find those three things, multiply those together, and then you have your volume answer. Thanks for watching this video. Glad you made it this far, and feel free to like and comment with any SAT math questions you have, and I will see you in the next video.